Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to import contacts from Google in iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to easily import all contacts from Gmail. Go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down. Tap on contacts. Tap on accounts. And here, first of all, we have to add our Google account. So tap on add account, select Google. And then you have to enter your Google account email and sign into your account. Once you successfully signed in, now all you have to need just enable these contacts option. And once you successfully turn on, now go to your contact app and here scroll down and you will find all of your Google contacts here. And to see only Google contacts, tap on list. And here tap on Gmail. And here under Gmail, you will find all of your Gmail contacts only. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.